Yes?
Yes, it's me, sir. Do you want to see me?
Yeah, come in. I need to talk to you about something. It's very important.
Okay.
The mafia's been growing recently. You really need to take it out.
Okay.
If the Godfather is taking it down, then the mafia will be taken out too.
I don't know how we're going to do that. We need to have someone inside the mafia to do that.
If you do it, then it'd be the inside man.
What if the government finds out about it?
Make sure they don't. If they find out that you did it, then the plan will not work.
Okay. Thanks for telling me, sir. I need to know this.
Okay. Thank you. My dear Yokas, today has been a very troubled day. I told my assistant about my plan to uncover the Godfather in the Russian Mafia. I think it went well, but I'm starting to have suspicions about him. I don't know. He's been acting kind of weird. It's kind of like he knows I'm going to be murdered or something. I sent him on the inside. I'm not sure if it was such a good idea anymore. But I can't tell one way or the other. My best regards. If I do not come back and write to you, or come back to the house within the next week, please inform the authorities. Most likely it was my assistant killed me. Your loving father, Vladimir Putin.
In a conditional statement, there's two parts, the hypothesis and the conclusion. The hypothesis is also known as the condition and comes before the then, but after the if in a conditional statement. It can be represented with the letter P. Then there's in a conditional statement. It can be represented with the letter Q.
Do you have the money?
If you complete the job, then I will give you the money.
A conditional statement follows the equation if P, then Q. In a conditional statement, one statement, P, implies another statement, Q. An inverse statement follows the equation if not P, then not Q. In an inverse statement, both the hypothesis and the conclusion are negated.
If you give me the money, then I will complete the job.
A converse follows the equation if Q, then P. The conclusion of the conditional statement becomes the hypothesis, and the hypothesis becomes the conclusion. A converse of a conditional statement can either be true or false. A contrapositive follows the equation if not Q, then not P. The conclusion becomes the hypothesis and vice versa. Both are negated. A contrapositive can be true or false.
I will give you the money if and only if you complete the job first.
A biconditional statement follows the equation if and only if P, then Q. In a biconditional statement, both P implies Q and Q implies P. So the conditional and converse must be true for there to be a biconditional statement.
I want my coffee.
Coming, sir.
If the Prime Minister drinks the coffee, then he will die.
Sir,
Yes.
I have your coffee.
Thank you very much. You betrayed me.
I knew the only way I could become Prime Minister is if you were dead. So I hired the Godfather to kill you. Yeah.
If you shoot me, then I will be dead. Like MySpace.
That's what you get for doing business with a new prime minister.
Do you know what this is? No. This is evidence that you killed Vladimir Putin. Yes, you did.
You can't do this to me.
We know you did. You're under arrest.
No.
Yes, if you resist, you will be killed.
Thank you for tuning in with us on this sad day. For those of you who are not aware, Vladimir Putin was found dead yesterday in his office. Now, according to authorities, it believes that he has been poisoned and the substance was contained in his coffee. Across Russia, it is a time of mourning as thousands line the streets to attend visuals. If you stay tuned, then we will inform you when we receive more information.